Hi, it's Integra here, and we're back in the garage today. And as you can see, I have some parts laid out on top of the block because pretty soon we're going to start the bottom end build on the K24. So I have some ACL rod bearings, ACL main bearings, King thrust washer, Honda K20 oil pump chain, and a K20 oil pump. Because pretty soon we're going to start putting the bottom end together, because after talking to a couple people and someone who's going to help me put my motor together, he wants to start with the bottom end. So I was like, whatever I got to do, just tell me what you think I should get. And he recommended all these companies, so this is what we're going with. And then also today, we're going to tackle something that doesn't really need to be done right now, but it's been bothering me, is this trim piece right here. I'm probably not gonna fix the holes or anything, because once I put the trim piece on, you're not gonna see it, but I'm gonna be pretty much cutting these out and then hopefully installing the trim piece.
Just something quick and simple while I wait on parts. I think there's something in the garage. I don't, because they have like little crevices and everything. I think something's running around in here. Oh yeah, there's something up there. I did not like when I did that. Yeah, so a lot of times you get squirrels and everything up there, so frankly I wouldn't be surprised if there's one up there right now. I almost want to chuck something up there. Something like a rock on the ground or something. Oh, whatever it is must have left.
Yeah, no, it's gone. All right, back on schedule. Anyways, so we're gonna get that done, but back to the motor. So yep, I got all these parts. I'm just waiting on a couple more things. I know in the last video I said, or I think the first video, I said I was gonna use the original pistons that I had, but after talking to my engine builder friend, yeah, we're not doing that. So he sent me a link of a good piston and rod setup, but I'll talk about that more when it comes in. So right now we're just gonna tackle that trim piece. So there's the final product. I'm gonna clean it up and then slap the trim piece on. So as you can see, the trim pieces are on. It's on the other side too. I'm not gonna show you both sides because it's just the same thing. And tomorrow I'm gonna be taking off the ones for the door on the other set of doors that I have stored away right now. Then eventually we're just gonna paint match this. I mean, I say paint match it, but I'm just gonna paint it black. Hopefully it turns out good. I'm not a painter, so we'll see. But I'll probably tomorrow too, because we're gonna do everything as far as motor wise inside the garage. This is gonna be a full garage build. So tomorrow I'm gonna finish taking apart the head that Javier, my friend, is gonna help me put the cylinder head together. Damn, that's some strong wind. Put the cylinder head together. He just wanted to look at it himself, so he took a valve, the spring out, the valve, and he was telling me, you know, we gotta get some Super Tech valve springs, retainers, and then we're gonna get the, he didn't say I have to get guides, but we're gonna get the seals, springs, retainers, and then did I say valves? Yeah, I said valves. And yeah, and we're gonna have to get the head together, but first we're gonna start with the bottom end. So it's gonna be bottom end first, then cylinder head, but I'm probably just gonna take that apart just to have it apart and ready. But yeah, we're gonna start with the bottom end. And for some reason, I can't remember where I put the oil pan, which is kind of a big thing to, you know, finish putting apart your bottom end. But right now, this is what we have to start. And I'm just waiting on the other stuff to come in. So I'll see you guys tomorrow when we start taking apart the doors for the car. Also forgot to mention, I recorded Javier talking about the motor and the head. So just want to let you guys know, because I'm going to insert the clips And so I just want you guys to be like, well, what's this random clip that he's just inserted with these people? So yeah, so I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Esa base cambia para cuando es doble spring. 2 springs. So when you change this base and you take this base out, so we can put the super deck base. So you can do the installation for double spring.
Okay.
So take this. Let's take this out.
Look at my box.
It's corroded.
So change them?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yo las uso, pero esta válvula es super low.
Yeah.
You see? Puede montar super tech, pero no la ponga flat. Don't put flat.
Don't put flat ones?
No, it's more heavy, and if we want to try to go in high RPM, no son buenas para eso. Para turbo sí.
Okay.
Or nitros.
Okay.
Pero for home motor, we keep it like this.
Okay.
La puedes usar. You can use it. I clean it up. They work. But it's really deep. It's
Yeah.
low.
Yeah.
So,
No, I'll probably just get new ones.
yeah, the new one's better. This is a regulator pressure. So what I did, I block it.
Okay.
Porque la presión de aceite pasa por aquí.
Gotcha.
Pero esta bomba tiene un pasaje. Mucha gente se olvida de eso y la presión se pierde por ahí y tienen problemas con el pita que nunca se relativo. Porque it's low pressure oil. It's leaking. You have to block this. What I do, yo le hago un tap y pongo un tapón de Allen. The Allen threaded 1/8
Okay.
MPT.
Yep.
And I block this and this. So, what they do, take your glasses. Entonces, ese aceite pasa por aquí. ¿Qué pasa? Que pasa por aquí. El main bearing lose pressure y se piela. When you use the Type S oil pump. Yo me siento como en la palma.
What's up, guys? We're back in the garage 3 days later, and we're gonna start taking the cylinder head apart. Even though I said we're gonna start on the bottom end build, I'd rather just have it apart, just to have it ready and, you know, to inspect some things. Watching some 1150 unit drag photos, but Javier took a valve out. I took a valve out as a test run. We have all our parts and everything right here. Sorry, I thought I had the light on. Clearly it didn't. So we have all our the springs right here, valves down here. We were gonna try and reuse them. I mean, we probably still could, but I'm just gonna get new ones. They're super corroded, and I mean, I'm sure they'll clean up, and he said they would, but I was gonna go built head anyway, so we're just gonna get some super tech ones. And if you're wondering what the noise is, because I know it's super loud, it's the heater, which is actually heating the garage pretty well, even though I'm all the way in the back over here. But yeah, we're gonna start taking the cylinder apart, and I'll see you guys when I'm done. So, as you can see, got all the valves out. This thing is super crusty. I mean, it was on a daily driven car. Not sure how many miles the car had. I don't remember. I want to say it was somewhere upwards of like 200,000 miles. So, got all that out. Got the spark plugs out. They're, yeah. But I mean, the motor was also sitting for a while before I actually did anything with it. So, but I think as long as we just clean it up, get new valves, I might get new guides. I haven't decided yet, but figured since I was getting everything else new, might as well just get the new guides too. But yeah, I think as far as that goes, we're done for the night. Here's all the valves, super crusty, springs. But yeah, I think for now we're done for tonight, and I'll see you guys next week.